Alright guys, we are out here at Wilderness Run Alpine Coaster in Sugar Mountain, North Carolina. And there's the entrance, ticket office, and the line, and the coaster's back behind it. Hey guys, it's Dawn
and Tyler.
We just out and about, and guess where we are today?
We're at Wilderness Run Alpine Coaster in Sugar Mountain, North Carolina.
Yes, I think well, this is Sugar Mountain. I think it's actually Banner Elk is the address.
Yeah.
But yes, what are we getting? Or what did we already get? Because this is kind of the opening and the closing, because we didn't do an opening. What are we getting?
Another coaster credit.
Woo! A new coaster credit for 2020.
Yeah.
Okay, look guys, this Alpine coaster just opened up.
A couple weeks ago.
Well, I think
the guy said yesterday to
I think he said they had been open a couple weeks for only locals, and then they just opened up to the public yesterday, which was, I don't even know what today is, but today is the Sunday of Memorial Day weekend. Tyler and I were up here in staying in West Jefferson, North Carolina, at a cabin for the weekend, and I guess this was probably like, would it probably take us like 45 minutes to drive over here, something like that. So with a new Alpine coaster, and actually the first Alpine coaster in North Carolina, with it being that close, there was no way we could pass it up.
No. And
so
it was actually surprisingly really good. Really good. Now let me tell you, we're kind of doing this opening and closing together. So we've already ridden. Yeah, three times. We came in and it was packed, so we actually went ahead. We didn't take the time to do an opening. We just hurried and got our tickets. We probably waited, what, an hour and a half? Probably.
I think probably
a good hour and a half.
A good hour and a half, okay, but you can purchase one adult ticket for $16.
Yep.
And that's just one pass, or a 3-ride adult pass for
$35.
$35. So what do we wouldn't be coaster enthusiasts if we didn't buy the three rides, right?
It's the way to go, pretty much.
I mean,
and you do not have to get off.
Yes.
They will keep sending you around.
So at first, when it was that packed and they said it was going to be at least about an hour and a half wait, I was like, oh, we can't do 3 times. And she's like, well, you don't have to get off the ride.
Yeah.
So I was like, we're doing 3 times.
Yeah.
So we didn't have to get off. So once you pay for the 3 ride, and I mean, you just stay on. So you wait that one time.
Yeah.
It's fast.
It really is fast.
It had a lot of curves. It's a really good ride. I mean, it's like any other Alpine coaster. It might be a little jerky in the curves.
Yeah.
But I mean, that's going to happen.
Yeah.
Okay, and Tyler also just got a new iWatch.
Yep.
Which he got a new app on his phone and his watch. So we're going to be recording a lot of these this summer. If we can get to the parks, I guess.
We'll record quite a few of them, but this was, I really haven't figured out what this means yet because I'm new to it, but that was the G-Force ride map for it.
Yep.
And so here was the stats on it.
Okay, hopefully y'all can see that.
There's the stats on it.
You actually just downloaded that app on the way here.
Yeah.
So this is the first coaster that we've even used it on. We've got some friends that use it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to take a look and see exactly how it's used, and hopefully we get to use it more this summer.
Yeah.
If things get opened up. But anyway, great ride here. We were craving some coasters, some coaster fun, so we had to come. But anyway, so I think that's about it. We'll show the POV after this. We'll go ahead and close. Guys, while you're watching the POV, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And like us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
All right, and we'll see you the next time. Thanks, guys. Bye. Alright guys, that looks like an awesome lift hill. We're excited.
Alrighty.
And enjoy your ride down.
All right, thank you. Oh.